What up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Ford Era. You got me, Solomon, and we got Simi here today, and we're on the way to Daytona. It is midnight. We're heading up there. We'll see you guys on the way. It is 4:30 in the morning, so that's it. We're here, gonna go head to the beach. Everybody's telling us that all the bridges are closed, so we're gonna probably try to go south and then come back to where the regular part is. So yeah, just made it over here. We're gonna give you guys an update and see you in a second. What's up, everybody? So we're just cruising down over here at the beach, and I came across this 79 crew cab. This thing's pretty cool. Let me turn the light on my phone. Show it to you guys. Monster over here. It's a pretty badass suspension. Looks like it's got a big block in it. Body lift. This thing is sweet. Gold dust is looking tiny next to this thing. Anyway, we're gonna keep just cruising around, go to the hotel. Figured I'd show you guys this, but we'll see you in the morning most likely. Peace. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the video. Here, Daytona Beach. Beautiful Daytona Beach. Every time I get to come out here, I'm always like, this is so cool, we get to drive on the beach. But got the gold dust out here, got the tent set up, got a grill, gonna make some breakfast now, and wait for everybody to come roll through. We'll catch you guys when people start showing up. See you then. Party's closed because storm's coming in, starting to pour, but it was pretty cool. We're gonna go catch up with everybody after it rains. We'll see you then. Today we're with Taylor and his badass OBS. I know a lot of you guys are gonna have a lot of fun comments to say about it. He doesn't care and I don't care. I think that's badass. Dude.
This is my 1997 Ford F-250.
All right, just finished up over here. Gonna show you guys what the truck with that real soon. We got Goldie. We're gonna head back to the beach, meet up with a couple other guys, we'll see you there. Well, I finally caught Hunter, but he was loading up the trucks. So no what the truck this time, but at least we get to see them. Here he's doing his 79 F350 long bed factory 4x. Pretty badass truck. What a beast. Alright, finally caught up with him. Busy dude. It was a fun weekend though.
Oh,
the truck's
yeah.
looking sick.
Interesting weekend.
Yeah. So we're not going to do a full what the truck, but I'm going to walk around it for a second, show it to you, and then we'll see it at the next event because he goes everywhere. So it's a 79 F250 BDS suspension. He did airbags with it, fuel wheels, shocks. I think it's bad ass. It's got 12 valve under the hood, a bunch of other goodies, but that's pretty much what it is. Maybe we'll get him to pop the hood. Maybe pop the hood?
Want to check her out?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
I've seen it, but not sure if everybody here has. Ooh, so clean.
Tom turbos.
She looks so good, dude.
62 over a 75. A little bit of pump work.
Hell yeah. All right, we'll see you guys in a bit. Finally found Hunt Zimmerman, and that baby right there, been waiting to see that the entire weekend. It's pretty much the reason why I came to Daytona. Dude, that truck is so sick.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
It literally makes me want to get rid of my truck. And I never, ever say that. But tell us a little bit about what it is.
So it's a 68 crew cab. I chopped the cab in half, made it longer, put a front door in the rear, and I sat it over top of a 6.7 Power Stroke King Ranch.
Dang. What's the wheel and tire setup on there?
17 by 14 welds. They were widened by Weldcraft. They're originally 17 by 10s. And the tires are 40 by 13 and a halves.
Damn. Dude, that suspension's crazy.
Yeah, that was built by a dude's fab shop.
Such a great guy.
Yeah, he does good work. Everything that's bare metal now is just coated so it doesn't rust.
I love that you brought it here as a project.
Yeah.
So many people would never want anybody to see it, but it's like...
Yeah, well, we left the back of the cab bare so you can see where we cut and everything. everywhere we cut. We replace.
Dang, you even put the sensors in?
Yep.
No.
And this is a
Wait,
17.
backup camera?
Yep,
Oh,
backup
yeah.
camera. This is a 17 King Ranch badge.
Nice. You moved the handle inside?
Yep, put the handle on the inside.
That's so badass.
This is at ride height right now. Aired down. It's aired down fully on both sides. It's about a ½ inch from the top of the fender well to the top of the tire.
Okay.
The front of the fender is actually almost touched.
Nice. What's the air management system?
Level ride.
Okay. Can I open it up?
Yeah, yep, go ahead.
Ah, that back door though.
Yeah.
Dude. So much space.
Yeah, a lot more space than the factory crew cab. And all the door buttons work. Everything works. AC compressor threw the crap on the way down here, but other than that, everything else works. Door buttons.
Dude, it's so badass.
That fender rubs because we were airing it down so hard.
Ah, you have to just bend the piece. When you wanted to have it finished, there's no set date.
No, I originally wanted to bring it down for Daytona, but
Okay.
originally I was going to paint it, I have it all painted, and I didn't want to rush anything, and now if I want to change something, I can cut it and not worry about cutting powder coat or paint or anything.
How's she look under the hood?
Good. It's just factory pretty much. I mean, it's up there. I can air it down then, but
No, it's totally good.
back of the firewall we did not weld. That's the only thing we didn't weld yet.
Okay.
I didn't want to weld over top of the motor,
Yeah.
so I was trying to do that with me.
Pull it all.
Yep.
Does she do donuts?
No, this is just
What about burnouts?
that's reverse, buddy. I'm holding up my head. Too many people in the back. Let me get the twisted. You want that weapon?
Well, we're gonna go have some fun. I'm gonna pull out the drone, fly it around a little bit. We'll see you in a second. What up, everybody? So we're over here at Buc-ee's, filling up and then heading back home. Daytona's over. It wasn't as much footage as I thought I was gonna get, but it was a rainy day. Only came up for one day. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you back in Miami. Next morning and made it back. Gold Dust made it home safe and sound. It was a nice 20-hour trip. We left Saturday night or Sunday morning early, got back home about 11:30 last night, and it was fun. Put I think 587 miles on Gold Dust. Got to catch up with some friends, make this fun video for you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you can, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps. Give us a thumbs up. And if you got any questions, comments, drop them down below. We'll catch you in the next one.